Okay, so this video is actually gonna be super different, and the reason is I'll actually show you something which is quite weird, by the way. If you know how to fix it, let me know because I was not able to figure out how to fix this stuff. So, the problem is whenever I am in the highest subdivision mode, which is at the sixth subdivision, which is also at the 52 million version, not the 52, sorry, 66 million version, you can see that we actually get this line. And if I were to just go back one subdivision, in this case I'm like lowering it to the 0, but if I were to just go back to the fifth subdivision, it still would work. You can see it is working right now. I am actually just increasing the steps, increasing the subdivision, and it is working, and it is gonna work fine till the fifth subdivision. But as soon as I go to the highest subdivision, it would actually just start giving me these lines. And it's not just the viewport thing, it is also showing this line in the render, which is super weird. You can see this weirdness. This is something that I just don't know how why. Like, this is definitely a bug, right? I mean, it is 100% a bug. And in order to basically bypass this, I had to render all the things. Like, the final render is at the fifth subdivision, and I had to make the displacement map, which is I am going to show you in the next video. But yeah, this is one of those problem which is like super weird. If you guys know how to fix it, let me know. I'm just going to give you the file. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm just going to see you in the next one now.